Sure. Whatever you feel is generous. That just looks good.
Oh yeah, that. Oh, oops.
It's just like falling apart though.
She's gonna kill me.
Did you get her?
It's a video.
Pull it, that motherfucking camera away. Are you recording it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you are. You know where the camera's gonna end up today then.
Nowhere.
If you were already recording me before I got out of the shower, you know where the camera's ending up.
No.
It's going out the window.
No.
Where did you get the recorder at?
You found a quarter?
Yeah, somewhere.
Did you find a quarter?
I found a quarter.
Like what you have better get paid. Am I giving it to him? Oh! Say sorry, horsey. Here you go.
Here we go. Thank you.
Suckers. Feed me!
We're hungry.
They're all lining up, so we're gonna go down the line. These are all must be babies.
Here they come.
Hi! Look, Brittany, quick, hurry up.
What? What is it? Oh, it's a little monkey.
It's like the little vampire monkey.
Look, it's Loki.
There's another one over here.
There's Loki.
Oh, you just jumped down.
Look it.
I was looking, I was like, what's in this one? I was like, oh, hello. The monkeys are pretty close.
Ew, a spider. Ew.
Oh, we should.
It's so bright.
Hold on, it says bad donkey.
Bye, Loki.
That one's a mean one. Here, mommy, feed that one. You feed the other one.
It's a bad donkey.
Yeah, I ain't about to get my hands fucking bit. It's a bad donkey.
Bye, Loki.
Peace. Quack. Hi. Quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack. Quack, quack. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, 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 quack. Oh God, these things are scary.
Don't put your fingers near there.
They'll bite you. Are these the ones that make the drumming sound? Or is it the
What's right
I don't
here?
know.
other thingy?
I don't know, but they're freaking creepy looking.
Yeah.
Aren't those the things that can like degut you with their feet?
Oh God, I don't know. Hey you.
These are fainting goats. Hear them? They fall over.
Oh my God, where? Run at them.
No.
Yes.
don't have any more food. Sorry, buddy.
No?
No, like that's why there's nothing that they can climb on in there, because once they climb up it, they can't get back down. They pass down.
Oh God. I want him to faint. That would be so funny. I'm getting bit. Fainting goats.
Kind of like tip the cow.
Yeah, I saw videos of them before. It is poo-poo.
Hi, so. No offense, Ryan. That's
I need the sauce.
Stoppies, Brett. Stoppies.
Stoppies are super cute fun slippers that your kids will love.
Yeah, and then you break the air box in it, and it doesn't work again. Your kid kills it.
Oh God, the ears move and the eyes.
Stoppies are soft, super comfy.
We love them. Look inside the pumpkin.
That's what
touch
your
it.
brains look like.
No, it's not. Touch it.
Touch her.
You can go in. Get it.
Help him. Show him.
No, I'm alright.
Mike, come here.
Nope.
Mike, just do it. You can
Nope.
wash your hands.
Nope.
Come on.
I never looked Corbin pumpkins when I was a kid, and I don't like it now.
Can you just go once?
Come on,
No.
Ryan, watch. With mommy.
Look,
Oh,
she'll go full on fist in that
yummy.
thing. She doesn't care.
Oh, mommy.
Here, touch it. She's allowing you to. Get dirty. He's upset. Pumpkin gut spike.
Alright, I stopped.
No, I gotta go back to work. Look at you go. Look at this. She is such a good carver.
Oh, fail. Wrong direction.
Oh,
Is that you in the face?
that went in the paint too.
Trash. Yeah, it whacked me in the face.
You made it climax.
Oh.
It's gonna be a square nose.
No, this nose is always upside down.
Ow.
No.
No, do it the other way so it pops up again.
Oh. It's a tiny nose.
You know what?
You should make its mouth a swastika. The neo-Nazi pumpkin.
Oh, it didn't pop.
Hey Ryan. Shut up.
Hey, that's not nice.
We don't teach my son those words. We teach him fucking shit.
Fuck my shitter. Hey Brett.
Not right now, Ryan. Go stand next to Mike, please.
Yeah! Stand next to me!
Okay, we're next to Noni. He does love Noni.
I love you, Noni. I love you. Noni.
Sorry. No service. That's cool. Ooh! Not in so deep there, Rachel. Harder. Harder. Is that all you got?
No, this is nice and going to you like it is right here. Tell me how you feel.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, I broke its tooth. Fail! I popped its tooth out.
Oh, ew!
So there's gonna be one tooth.
Yeah, it's a redneck pumpkin.
It does look like a redneck pumpkin. Ew. Ow! My butt!
Right. I got 10 minutes.
Ow.
Yup, we got a redneck pumpkin because Rachel's tooth popped out.
Now it's like you.
Missing it too.
Adam and Eve apparently misses me. I just got an email.
We miss you by our vibrator.
Pookie wants you to stay on our list. Don't break my heart. Look, they put a cute dog on it.
Oh God.
Generally, it's like a naked woman. Adam and Eve wants you to suck my clit. It's fucking mentally handicapped.
Perfect.
The first pumpkin I've ever made, I had to say I did a pretty damn good job.
I'm gonna one-up you.